Good morning, class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, today we are going to start our class, which is recorded video for all of you. So, all of you have to listen properly and have to follow my instructions also. So, let's start. First of all, we will do prayer, then we will start our weekly learnings. Okay, so let's start your prayer. Om Bhur Swaha Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodaya. So all of you now open your eyes. Okay. So let's start our weekly learning. Okay. So let's start our weekly learning. So color of the week is orange. Color of the week is orange. So all of you have to repeat with me. Color of the week is orange. Spelling of orange is O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Now next. Fruit of the week is orange. Again, orange. Fruit of the week is orange. So all of you just repeat with me. Fruit of the week, orange. Next, shape of the week is sphere. Shape of the week is sphere. So all of you repeat with me. Shape of the week is sphere. Now next, word of the week is snowman. Word of the week is snowman. Spelling of snowman is S-N-O-W-M-A-N. Snowman. Say all of you, snowman. Word of the week is snowman. So now next is sentence of the week. Sentence of the week is I like snowman. I like snowman. Say all of you, I like snowman. Just all of you repeat with me. I like snowman. And the last one is month of the year, January. Month of the year is January. So all of you, January. Very good. Okay, so let's start your work, which is maths work. So today we will do maths work, in which we will know about countings. Okay, so first of all, let's write date 24 January 2022. So all of you write date first and classwork. So write all of you classwork. So today we are going to do countings from, so write countings from 501. So write from 501 to 530. So today we will do countings from 501 to 530. Okay, class? So let's start. So write here H T O, here also H T O, and here also H T O. Okay, so we are going to do countings from 501. So all of you just write 5 0 1. Next to come 5 0 2. 502. Next 503. Next 504. Now next is 505. So write all of you 506. Next 507. Next 508. And the next one is 509. So tell me what will come next? 510. Very good. So here comes 510. Okay, now what will come next? 511. Next 512. 513. 514. Next will come 515. 516. Next is 517. 518. 519, and the next will come 520. Okay, class. So next is 521, 523, 22. So write 521, 522, 523, 524. Next will 525. Next is 526. 25, 26, 527. Next is 528. Next one comes 529. 530. So here you have done from 501 to 530. So read with me. We will repeat it. So all of you, 501, 502, 503, 504, 505, 506, 507, 508, 509, 510. So here is 511, 512, 513, 514, 515, 516, 517, 518, 519, 520. So next is 521, 522, 523, 524, 525, 526, 527, 528, 529, 530. So all of you have to read it like this and learn it also. We will meet in next class. Till then, take care. Stay safe, stay healthy, okay?